This one looks promising. Looks like 3, maybe 4 feet deep. I got the white riffles, the foamy lines up there to cast into and let it drift back. Trying to get slack right away as it comes over those rocks into the deeper pool. There, 2, I got a double. Well, 1 got off. When you hook up a double on a Euro rig, there's a hinge point formed between the anchor fly and the dropper so that the tippets can remain loose when you've struck and the fish can be poorly hooked. So again, you can see I have a pretty long dropper, maybe swaned up a little. I just probably started off at 6, 5, and we're pretty close though, because I'm using the weight of the anchor to get me down to the bottom. There we go. The so-called bathtubs become easy to fish with the stone, chain stone, getting you down to the bottom. Like that. I'm using the chain stone here as the anchor fly on a 2-fly Euro rig. The dropper fly is a pheasant tail. What I'm trying to do here is have a heavyweight anchor that takes this down to the bottom of this bathtub-like hole and starts a bottom bouncing-like action that causes a jigging on the pheasant tail. At the same time, the flexible legs on the chain stone allow this to slither over the rocks and not hang up nearly as often. You can find the recipe for the chain stone on YouTube if you search for tying the chain stone.